In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Draw.io for UML diagrams. To get started, open the Draw.io diagram editor. Once you're inside the workspace, direct your attention to the menu bar at the top of the screen. From there, click File, and then choose New from the drop-down menu. This will open a dialog box where you can start creating a new diagram. This is the starting point for setting up your UML work properly, and it helps ensure you begin with the right layout instead of building everything from scratch. In the dialog box, look to the panel on the left side and select UML. As soon as you click it, you'll see a collection of UML diagram templates appear. These templates are useful because they give you a structured starting point for common UML diagram types, which can save time and help keep your diagram organized. Choose the template that best matches what you want to create, and then click Create. After that, another dialog box will appear, allowing you to define the file details. Here, you can edit the file name, choose the file type, and decide where you want to save the diagram. Take a moment to set this up carefully so your file is easy to find later. Once everything looks right, click Save. Now you'll see your UML diagram template open in the editor. At this stage, you can begin customizing it to fit your needs. If you want to add new shapes or connectors, use the left panel. This area contains the elements you need to build out the structure of your UML diagram, whether you're adding classes, relationships, or other components included in the template library. If you need to edit an existing shape, object, or text, simply select it. Then use the Format panel on the right side to adjust its appearance and settings. This is where you can refine the look of your diagram and make it clearer and more professional. You can also move elements around by clicking and dragging them into position. If something needs to be resized or rotated, use the resize handles around the selected item or the rotate handle at the top right. For text changes, select the text box or the shape that contains the text, and then edit the wording as needed. This makes it easy to update labels and keep your UML diagram accurate as your design evolves. And that's it. That's how to create and edit a UML diagram in Draw.io using a template, customize the layout, and make adjustments directly in the editor.